And I couldn't even change if I wanted to. I got diamonds on my chain and my wrist do too. And I'ma always be the same no matter what I do. And you know money ain't a thing and I don't look like you.
I'm here once.
Why, what's up, Glock?
No, I'm here 1 second. I'm sorry for moving all this shit off the moving truck.
Holy shit. Everybody come in. Put him in the freezer. I just got a live with Ugly. He on the way. Glock, what's up, baby? They go Ugly right there.
Moving all that damn furniture. Got my body hurt.
Man, wake up, you bitch ass nigga, man. What's going on, nigga? Stop playing, bro. You already know what's going on, nigga. Stop playing. I seen this shit. I'm in my girl, fool. Stop playing, nigga. Yeah. You was not about that life. My girl laughing at your man, nigga. Goofy.
Glock, where you at, baby?
Wait. You talking about me?
Yeah, goofy. Yeah, goofy.
Ugly.
Fuck you. My girl laughing at your dumb ass goofy. For real, nigga. Stop playing.
Hey, who the fake?
I already know your chain fake, nigga.
I don't think that was fake right there, Ugly.
I don't want fake.
That motherfucker fake too.
Shit, it look like it dipped in goddamn. It look like it dipped there and ran goose sauce, nigga.
Okay, Ugly. Look at me compared to you.
Yo, fuck you. You
Stop and think about that. Just stop and think about that for a second.
Hey, who the face of this shit?
Your whole head like an onion, nigga. For real, that was your whole head like a motherfucking onion. That's what you got to brag on with no fucking hair, nigga. Nigga, who raised you, nigga?
Look at me.
Nigga, who raised you, nigga? What you mean? Stop playing, nigga. I'm fresh in. I got fresh leg. Sweet.
Let me see the motherfucker. Let me see the motherfucker, Ugly.
Sweet.
Huh? Look at my dog, nigga.
Right.
The folks talking about.
Oh, this shit.
Nigga, you look like you ain't took a bath in a week. You ass shirt, man. Hey, that yellow ass bitch to say that was your ass trying to be, nigga.
Back, Glock.
Broke ass bitch to say, a big broke bitch to say that was your ass trying to be, nigga. For real, nigga. Hey, bro. Hey, no. I'm on your ass, nigga. Stop playing, bro. Stop trying me, bro. Stop trying me on my old lady, bro. Stop trying this shit, bro. You know I'm gonna see you again, Glock. You know I'm gonna see you again, nigga. Stop playing, bro. You know we gonna come on, bro. Stop playing, bro.
Hey,
you know what's going on.
Hey, Glock, he said you said somebody old lady, Glock.
You said what?
He said you said somebody old lady.
Old lady.
Yeah.
And my girl.
Ugly. Let me tell you something, man.
Nah, let me tell your long head ass on. Your round head having ass nigga. Stop playing with me and my girl, nigga. Or something. I ain't even gonna say. You did me. But stop playing, nigga. You already know what's going on, nigga. Next time you see you nigga on gun, nigga, it's on OS, nigga. Stop playing, nigga.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, it like that, nigga. Bro, I don't play. Hey, look, nigga, I don't play about mine, nigga. I don't give a fuck about none of that play shit.
So you ready?
Ain't gonna say no ass, nigga.
Ready?
Way too many niggas, nigga. Stop playing, nigga. Way too many niggas.
So
I'll bring the whole section down up. Stop playing. Nigga, I will bring my whole section down up, nigga. Stop playing.
Oh, shit.
Stop playing, Glock. When in my last time,
take me on one-on-one. You can take me on one-on-one.
Smoke for real, nigga. But you don't want no smoke, nigga. But you don't want no smoke, nigga, for real, though. Alright, I ain't even gonna say that. We gonna meet. Hey, you talking about, nigga?
Do for the reunion. I will whoop your ass.
You would not bad ass and goofy ass, nigga.
I will whoop your ass.
You would not bad ass and goofy ass, nigga. Stop playing.
Oh, y'all got reunion coming up?
Nigga, got beat your ass, nigga. Goddamn, we was in LA, nigga. On blood, nigga. Stop playing. I beat your ass while we was in LA. Stop playing, home. You know what's going on, nigga.
Hey, Glock. He said you told me you beat him up, Glock.
I did.
Nigga, hell no. Nigga got that hit man at one time. They got failed. Nigga, everybody seen the video. Homes ain't hard. Homes are pussy. Hey, Glock, I got some big. Hey, I got some shit on you. Hey, you ain't that big head nigga Tony. I got some shit on y'all whole ass nigga. Stop playing, nigga. Tell Tony stop playing with they got with this shit for real, or that nigga ass get snatched up.
Yeah.
Look,
Hey,
Shit.
everybody follow BowllanTV and School Out TV. Follow them boys.
Yeah.
You
Fight
know what,
Yeah.
back,
Glock?
Glock.
Ugly, let me tell
Glock,
you
you
Fight
something.
a
back,
real
Glock.
hoe. Glock, you a real hoe. On Dabu,
Ugly,
you a real hoe, Glock.
fuck with me, man. You can't.
This
You
is
ain't
the
about
best.
to ask a nigga.
I'm just letting
You
you
just
speak
think
like
you
a
is.
kid.
This is
Here,
the best footage on IG,
give
period.
me this face.
But
Let
you
him talk. Let him
ain't
talk.
pushing up on shit. You ain't pushing up on shit but a piece of paper, nigga. Hey, tell me.
Nigga, I can steal your bitch if I wanted to.
Oh,
Hey, watch your mouth,
shit.
nigga. Watch your mouth. Watch your motherfucking mouth.
Yo,
Pussy
you
ass nigga.
watch your mouth.
Nah, watch your
Oh,
pussy
you
ass mouth.
watch your
Bitch
mouth.
ass
Nigga,
nigga, you already know what the fuck
nigga,
going on,
you got
hoe.
hit by a truck.
Alright,
You lost
bitch.
the whole
When I
fucking world.
see your ass, I'ma hit your ass. Bitch, when I see your ass,
You
get your ass, nigga, I'ma hit your ass, nigga. Bitch, when I see you, nigga, I'm in, nigga. That's all I'ma say.
lost your whole front teeth. Your fucking whole fit, your whole front is missing. I can
Fuck
kick a
you,
fucking
nigga.
field goal.
You ain't, bro,
Oh,
nigga, you
A
Bro,
don't think
field
about
goal.
shit, nigga. You ain't on shit. You not on shit, bro. Dusty ass nigga, what the fuck wanna see your nasty ass armpit? Booty hole ass nigga, stop playing, nigga. Stop playing with this shit. Yo, bitch,
Dude,
you was not about that life. You was
reunion,
a
dude.
goofy.
The
You was a
reunion.
cartoon, nigga. You was a motherfucking goofy, nigga, on big
Dude,
level.
for the
Stop
reunion,
playing.
I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Alright, bitch.
hey,
Oh, God. But you
when
ain't
the
doing shit,
reunion
hoe.
is? When the
Huh?
The
reunion?
reunion,
I
I'm
don't
gonna
know.
whoop your
when you say it here, Glock.
reunion. Here, let's see who can do the most push-ups. Come on, if you can do
Nah.
it.
Oh.
I'ma roll your ass when I see your ass. That's all I'ma say. Yeah, nigga. You know what's going on, bitch. Stop playing with my goddamn family home before I got come see about your ass.
Be quiet, man. Be quiet. God damn it.
Pop
Hey,
that
Nigga,
shit.
I'm gonna
hey,
see you again, nigga. We gotta meet
Yeah,
up again,
on
nigga.
the
Hey, you talking
reunion.
about, nigga?
You'll see me again, and I'm gonna whoop your ass like I did the first time.
oh,
And the
Nigga, you
second
ain't
time.
do shit, ho. You get talking shit.
Everybody hit that follow button. Bowl Lane Slick
But
School Out TV. We gonna keep
you
that
ain't gonna talk shit, bro. You
follow
a
button.
hoe. You a real fucking hoe. The streets is
Mm.
not fucking with you, you bitch made ass nigga. Fuck you, man, hoe ass nigga. Goofy ass nigga. You already know what the fuck going on, nigga.
oh,
Y'all follow Cody.
Your
you
Y'all
done
see
ran a
Cody
nigga
in the
out the
comments.
street?
Nah,
Follow
nigga, come
Cody.
back. Come back. Your ass want to talk all that gangster shit, nigga. Come on with it, nigga. Bum on, nigga. Hey, you talking about? Nah, nigga. Don't play about, man. I bet when I see your ass, nigga, I'm gonna goddamn roll your ass, nigga. That's all I gotta say, nigga, on bees, nigga. Stop playing, nigga. This shit get wicked.
And that nigga, hey, ugly, that nigga say you, what he said that he was scared of man in school up?
Yeah. So
Huh?
What the,
what
what,
he say? Not scared of him, intimidated.
yeah, he said he got
Fuck
you
that nigga. I ain't
intimidated, man.
intimidated nobody. Man, bro, you know me in person, nigga. Do I look intimidating, nigga?
Oh
Ain't
no, we know
Oh,
how you
you
come.
already know, I know how you coming.
yeah. You got what, roll two head, yeah, but that's what
Yeah, we good.
on God, bro. But the nigga know what the hell going on anyway with me, nigga. Nigga already know what's
You
going
know, we
on. I'm
already know
good.
how you coming.
Now I'm saying, I'm talking about that nigga. He's such a bitch. Like, man, come on, nigga. I got some shit, bro. If I really want to air your shit out, nigga, I can, nigga. Yes, I need to get some guy. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. You bitch, man. Nigga. I already know what's going on with me, huh? So what's going on with the ticket with Bedline though? We all set up for that. But with Texas and that we all set up for that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I went
Bet.
went on Giggity hit me back, man.
I bet.
We're
Most
gonna plug
definitely.
it in with
Most
real
definitely. Hey, you
soon.
gonna be me. Hey, you gonna be me and T. That's it.
So you know y'all can ride with us if y'all want, but y'all had to come to we leave from South Carolina.
Oh yeah, nah, we got our own. We got our own.
And they say Druski popped the head in here.
Huh?
They say Druski had came in here. Oh, they go Glock.
Man,
Fight back,
hey,
Glock.
man, Glock ain't no real nigga. Glock,
Uh,
man, you ain't not no
Glock,
real nigga.
what it could have
Hey,
been chain that Glock.
um, my baby brother got it. He's somewhere at his friend's house with it.
Hey, so why you ain't got no chain?
man, bro, I don't know what his problem is. Shit, I don't know what the nigga talking about. Shit, I'm working. Goddamn, you see me? I'm working out here, bro. Hey,
Huh?
boo, King.
Yeah,
Why
we
the
know
fuck
what's
you got
going
your hand
on.
on your face, nigga? You like you got Down syndrome, nigga. The way you hold your face.
Cam, what you mean you paying that shit, Cam? What that mean?
Uh,
It's in the comment.
Yeah.
this rapper at this point,
What, nigga? What you want to say? What your goofy ass want to say? What?
niggas like you cannot be trusted. That's
Nigga, I'm not paying it.
niggas like you cannot be trusted.
Hey, who the face that could have been shit, eh?
Me.
I don't know, bro.
It's me.
I'm being. I don't know.
I am how you say. I'm like, bro. I'm tapped in with everybody in Coulda Been Records. Everybody, even people in your neck of the woods.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, hey, ugly plugged
you
in,
ain't
man.
tap. They don't know about from my neck of the wood, nigga. You wigging, nigga.
You can get your people in your neck of the woods to turn on you in a heartbeat.
You, man, all right, come down to Atlanta and try it. I'm gonna give you an extra pan. Come down to Atlanta and try this shit.
Dude, I'm a well-known name in Atlanta. I was a name in Atlanta when I was 16.
No,
Hey, make sure everybody who's tuning in is following everybody. Follow Glock, follow Bowling, follow Ugly,
wait,
follow
yeah,
Suwak.
yo, follow
Keep
me on
going.
God. Edgar Rap Alive, nigga. I need my shit up. No cap, man. Glock,
Like,
you a little
you,
bitch,
you,
bro. You a
you,
all that's all I'm saying about
you
it, bro. On
know,
God, bro, you
Don,
ain't shit.
you know,
You is not shit.
Don,
You
you
not
follow
that
Tim the
nigga, bro.
Don. I've been working with Tim the Don since I was 16 and other influencers out there. I've been out there.
Nigga, bro. I'm
I've
I
been
got no
fuck
idea.
that.
I
Fuck
give
that. You
opportunity.
talking all that bullshit
Bro,
about me
bro, I
and
give
my girl, fool.
opportunity.
Bro, you is
That'll
not no
take you
street
enough.
ass nigga, bro. I smack your shit, fool. You wig. This is not no fucking game, bro. You talking about
Type
my fucking
shit.
family and shit, nigga. I was a kid. I can't even say that. Nigga,
Yeah.
I will beat your ass, nigga, on God.
You
I'm not even gonna say that. I'm gonna beat
that's
the
all the
fuck out
shit,
your ass
bro.
when I see you. Nigga, fuck that. Nigga, when I see you, nigga, it's on site, nigga. That's all I'm gonna say, bro. I'm tired of saying it, nigga. That's all I'm gonna say.
Nah, you just
But you really is a
think
female,
about
bro.
it.
You was a
That's
whole bitch. You was a whole four-legged dog, bro. You was a whole fucking bitch.
yeah, let's be
Ain't
honest.
that, nigga. You pussy ass, nigga. You ain't about that shit. You is not about that
No.
shit, ass, nigga. You ain't about that life. You ain't never kicked the door. You ain't never cracked the car. You ain't never got no father shot that nigga head. Talking about, nigga. Oh,
Who said I
What
gotta
that
do
nigga
all
talking
that? I
about,
ain't
man?
no gangster though. But I'm more respected than you.
Oh shit.
you is a goofy. Niggas is laughing at you, bro.
Yeah,
Bro,
hey, come on, let's
what type of
yeah,
what type of nigga been like Coulda Been Records, been like Tourette's?
what
You sound like you got Tourette's, nigga. Every time you say Coulda Been, nigga.
Oh shit.
Doing
Yeah,
the
you got
push up.
Tourette's.
All right, hey, ugly. You see that boy not ugly?
14,
Man, fuck
15,
that nigga. That shit don't mean
17,
Man,
shit.
ugly scroll get fuck.
20,
Ugly got there like
21,
this.
Wait,
22, 23,
man, I already dropped that nigga at one
25,
time.
26,
You
Just
see,
going to show.
29,
Hey,
30,
Glock, they say
31,
ugly on your ass, Glock.
Man, wait.
34,
God,
35,
that nigga ain't
6,
pushing that. That
7,
nigga ain't pushing
8,
shit but pillows.
40,
Hey, that nigga
41,
Hey, done push
oh,
what
shit
you
but
say?
pillows.
What you say,
That
ugly?
nigga ain't pushing shit but pillows.
46,
Now I see
47,
Ah,
he pushing pieces. Now I
49,
see
told
nigga
you.
talking
He
about
told
you.
you.
51,
That
52.
nigga ain't pushing shit with pillows, nigga.
how many that was, Glock?
I did 52.
The 52 Glock.
Yeah.
Man,
Come on.
hey, Glock, you
Yeah,
bullshit. Ugly up there standing on business. Ugly
Wait,
standing on business for real.
hey, bro.
I,
Hey, Drew need
I
to get.
vouch for that. I vouch for that with my own eye.
Oh, Lord, they talking about Glock strong red. Oh, man.
I said, Glock, what?
Glock strong red. I'm reading the comment.
But check this out right here, though, man. What started the beef between y'all two, man? 'Cause I like y'all guys,
That,
man. What started the beef with y'all,
He the
man?
one that started it.
nah, bro. That nigga started it, bro. No, it might be. No, but this shit real now, bro, because you talking about my old lady, bro. Stop, bro.
Who
Stop
is your
playing, bro.
old lady?
Nigga.
Glock, did you say somebody
My
old
girl,
lady,
nigga.
Glock?
Stop playing, nigga.
Who is your old
But
lady?
you know what I'm talking about, bro. Stop
I
playing,
don't know
bro.
who you talking about. So
All
right
right,
here,
all right. When I see you,
you
I'm gonna
being
smack you.
delusional. I don't know your old
When
lady.
I see you, I'm gonna smack you. That's all I'm
All
gonna
right, on the
say.
second season, I dare you. I'm gonna do
So
you
when the
like
second season, y'all don't
military
know?
style.
When the second season is,
How big
I
is
mean,
the big?
hey, Glock, when the
But
next season is, Glock?
what season?
You said the
Glock,
second
when
season.
the next season, Glock?
Huh?
When the next season is?
I don't know, but all I gotta tell Ugly is just bow down, dude. To a nigga that's greater than you.
Huh?
Bro, hey, I don't know, bro. I don't know what I'm talking about. I ain't even know that it was for real. It went for real.
So,
I'm
so just
asking, I ain't know. Cause it went for real.
is there any type of way you guys will ever get along again?
Nah,
They, they,
he talked about my female, bro. I ain't going for that.
Man, oh, hell no. They call y'all PC boy, man.
Oh
They
hell,
call y'all the PC
hell
boy.
on,
Hell no.
hell on.
Druski did that, Slick. Boy say Druski did that.
I know Ugly ain't need no damn PC. I be
Hell
with
no.
my dog. I know he'll stand on business.
Roll me up a blunt right now, nigga.
What you smoking on, Ugly?
Get some gas.
Gas.
No,
Gas. If y'all tuned in, make sure y'all go to Ugly page and check out that skit where he knocked me out. I got knocked out by Ugly.
Oh yeah, more definitely, man. Going fuck with nigga Bowlan.
Ask you something ugly. Do you look like this or
Going
no?
fuck with nigga goddamn School TV, man.
you heard the boy say Ugly. Oh shit,
Oh
you
yeah,
nigga put a shirt off on you, man.
hey, the same nigga I knocked your, the same way I knocked home, this the same one I knocked your ass, nigga. Be ready.
Glock, what you got going, Glock?
I ain't worried. I'm stronger.
He be in the whole day what he got going on.
Glock say he got no hand for you
Right.
though. Hey, y'all might well set up the boxing match, man.
Hey,
Y'all might well, we gonna let T.O. set up the match, man.
yeah,
T.O., we gonna set up the match, T.O.
Put some money on it. Yup.
yeah. Let's go ahead and set that bitch up. I'm gonna go ahead and get his ass in training starting tomorrow. Say less.
Yeah, let's set it up, man. Glock, what you wanna do? Glock set up the boxing match.
What we gonna do with it?
Wait a minute. What's your name, bro?
It's time to use T.O.
Oh, I'm to you.
Nice to meet you, T.O. My name Glock 30K, raised by the old school, now with this new generation shit. Been around the OG.
This nigga here, man. But shit,
Man, you-
bro, get the fuck out of my phone, bro.
See, look,
I
he's
set that shit up,
scared.
nigga. I'm ready to beat this nigga ass, man.
yeah,
See,
we're gonna set it up.
that's intimidation right there.
Hey,
Fuck
Glock,
you.
we're gonna do it in the A, man. We're gonna fly you to the A, or y'all wanna meet somewhere and do it. What's up?
We can meet, bro.
Hey, you know what? Y'all know what we can do?
Wait,
We can
hold
meet out there.
up. You see the way he got intimidated?
He's scared of you now. Hey, we can meet. Hey, look though, Glock. We can.
I
Hey,
was
Glock.
just talking to him. He got
Hey, Glock.
intimidated.
Hey, Glock. Check this out though, Glock. We can meet out there with Gangster. We can meet out there with OG Giggity.
Oh yeah, New Orleans,
Now
man. Yeah.
in Texas. OG in Texas.
Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah, in Texas and do it like that.
What's up, Glock? You know OG. We can set up a
What?
ring. We can. You know what I'm saying? We'll fly you out there.
What, in Texas? I'm down for it in Texas.
Yeah,
Yeah, we
let's
go out
do it.
there with OG. You know we was on. You talked to OG today, ain't it?
It was on the live. I'll talk to him in a minute. But look, I wanna ask you this though. How did you get intimidated about me talking to your homeboy? How the fuck you get intimidated? That's like a female getting intimidated. Like, come on now.
Hey, nigga, I know I ain't no female, nigga. I ain't worried about
You
shit.
moved the phone like he was a female. Like, get off my phone. What? Come on, man. That's your homeboy in the car. Come on, are you kidding me?
Man, nigga, stop playing.
Man,
Hey,
come
at the
on,
end of
man.
the day, nigga, I'm not intimidated by you, nigga.
You
I don't
is.
even know you for real, bro. At the end
You
of the day,
intimidated by me on the show, man.
nigga, I know from you from the show, nigga. That's the first time we met. Other than that, I don't know you like that, bro.
You got,
You ain't going around.
dude, my anointing pissed you off. You got demons. Your ass be smoking so much, you try to smoke your demons away.
Hey, chat, who y'all got y'all money on, man? Y'all got y'all money on Glock or y'all
Got
got y'all
that?
money on Ugly, man?
They got them big ass eyebrows, nigga.
If you got your money on Glock, put the emoji. Put the
Who
gun
he say got
emoji.
big ass
Yeah,
eyebrow?
you got your money on Glock, put that gun emoji. You got your money on Ugly, put that the thing with the eye holding the eye
Who
closed.
he say got big ass eyebrows?
You Glock?
Yeah, now you talking about being on you on track.
Man, look, man, I could kick a fucking field
Yeah.
goal with you, and his teeth got a big gap. I could kick a field goal with you with that shit. And I
But
got
you
some
can't
big.
talk about the way nobody look, nigga. Somebody got a fucked up ass mouth, when you got a fucked up ass face.
Hey, oh shit, hey Ugly, man. Everybody got their money on Glock, man.
Okay, let me go ahead and say, what's up, Ezel? What is Friday for? Friday 3? What's up, Ezel? You the new Ezel. Fuck it. Yeah.
Nigga, fuck you, nigga. All right, bitch. Hey, look, I know I ain't no goddamn fucking these heads. Nigga, stop playing, bro. Hold on, what the fuck is your teeth fit, bro? Talking about my shit. Open your mouth, nigga. Fuck you mean? Open
Hit
your
that
goddamn
follow
mouth,
button.
nigga.
Everybody hit that follow button on BowllanTV, School Out TV, on Ugly. Hit that
Hey,
follow button on
bro,
Glock.
he don't want to open his mouth, nigga. He too scared. But you don't want to open your mouth, nigga, because you know you got something missing, nigga. Here you talking about,
You know what?
about me.
Hey. If you got your money on Glock, y'all drop them pistols. You got your money on Ugly, drop them teeth, man. I don't know. I know
Oh,
Ugly
God.
got no hand.
Ugly already knocked me out.
Fool. Hey, that's fool. Hey, that's fool shit.
You feel me, T.O.? Hey, T.O., you feel me, T.O.?
Yeah, man. I like that one there, man.
Yeah, type shit.
That was a bar there. Drop the T. I like that one.
Oh, they rolling with Ugly. I see a lot of TVs coming.
Hey, man. Bro, I'm gonna beat the dog shit out of your ass. Nigga, set this shit up. Yeah, yours ready. Nah, nigga, I got it.
Ugly, you're not really a threat to me. I swear to God.
Well, you not no threat to me, bro.
You got Tourette's. Still a lot of them pistols going up there now.
You got Tourette's syndrome, nigga.
So what?
Really?
So when y'all first got on the show, what made y'all two just go against each other? Why y'all didn't like each other? What happened?
That nigga is special, bro. When I tell you special, I mean special, not even in a funny way. I'm being dead ass serious. You got Tourette's, nigga, bro. You keep on yelling like Coulda Been Records, bitch. Don't nobody want to hear that all day.
Yeah, it is good.
Could have been shit.
It is Coulda Been Records, bitch. So you're going against Coulda Been Records?
Oh, nah, nigga, I don't want to hear that.
You is going against them.
You dumb nigga, I don't want to hear
And
that.
they heard you too, so I am the face it could have been. Oh wow, you gave.
Oh, nigga, they got 100 band on Glock, man.
Hey, bro, you
Well,
the goofy, bro.
You kicked out. I called the shots too. You forget that. I've been with this shit longer than you. You kicked out. It could have been. You banned on.
Oh shit.
Y'all laughing, nigga. I don't get no fuck, nigga. You ain't running shit, nigga.
Boy.
Them folk laughing at your ass, nigga. Fuck you mean? Them folk laughing. I'm laughing at your ass, nigga. Fuck you mean?
Shit.
So y'all saying this right here never be settled right here. Y'all always gonna be like this right here.
Yeah.
They got to settle it, so y'all got to settle it in the ring.
Yep.
He said he laughing at me, but nigga, I've been laughing at you this whole time.
All right, bitch. We both of them, so laughing motherfucker.
If anybody put me in a comedy skit with this motherfucker, I would really think he'll beat me just because, in a funny ass skit.
Oh, what,
Bro,
Glock? Why you say that, Glock?
I got a question. Why you don't take that do-rag out your head?
What?
You got that
My hairline?
like an old ass
You
nigga.
want to see my hairline?
Nigga, bro, take the shit out, bro, cause you got a whole goddamn head, bro. Okay? You know you look right. You a nigga.
Show the nigga them waves, Glock.
I got a hairline. Yeah, got a hairline.
Damn, that crispy hairline. Yeah, yo. You got the McChicken hairline. That's what you got. You got the McChicken. You got the McChicken with the fried man and they joint. Come with the half pound side. That's what you got. He got that type of he got that type of hairline, nigga.
Hey, Ugly, invite Druski in that bed, Ugly.
I bet.
See Drew jump in.
You know what? I want to make him a little off.
We gonna see who running. Oh, go ahead, Glock. My bad.
Let me make him a little off.
Oh, nah, he up in that bit. Oh, God.
He
okay.
I get him though. He watching that bit.
Hey, ugliest rapper alive. Would you ever team up with me?
No, I would not.
That nigga try to be your friend, Ugly.
Nigga, I always trying to be a nigga friend. Especially when nigga want some.
Nah. See, look, man, at this point, it's no point in really beefing with you because...
It ain't no point in beefing with you neither.
Right?
Yeah.
Hey, so just team then.
Is what?
Nigga.
I said, let's why not just team up then?
Man, bro, I'm not teaming up with you on shit, bro.
But why?
Bro, you a special case, nigga. I'm not doing that. You are the special case. I'm gonna say you my special friend. That's all I'm gonna say. Just to keep a cord.
Hey, I tried to squash it. Actually, I'm squashing it right now. It's not even a freaking issue. You're just intimidated. It's okay.
It's an issue by me, bro, because you talking about my family, nigga. Oh, God. Yeah. Nigga, I'm gonna...
You see, it's called being the bigger person. Ooh.
Oh, hell. Man, goddamn, Glock.
And I was being the bigger person.
Hey, Glock, why you said somebody girl, man? What's up with that side? I thought you said you don't do that type of shit.
I be playing. I don't want to steal nobody, girl. I got a woman I'm talking to.
Nigga, I don't play like that. Hell, you mean?
Ugly, let's go ahead and be honest. None of these women are loyal to nobody.
Huh?
Nigga, first of all, fuck you. Thinking about it.
Bro, these women is loyal to money.
What the fuck your bitch shit?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know neither. Shit matching here, hoe.
Boy, I got a 2 pistol.
Hit that follow button, everybody. Hit that follow button. Let's go. Y'all can't get this footage nowhere else on the internet. We got Ugly in the building. We got Glock in the building. Come on, man. Y'all tap in. Carolina got this shit popping. Come on, man. Hit Bowling Sleep. Hit that follow button, man. Because this shit finna go down. My boy T.O. on the other side of it got Glock in the building. Ugly. Come on, man.
Yeah, we're gonna set this match up, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, but I think, I know Glock, he got that stamina now, but Ugly got no hand now.
Yeah. Ugly already. If y'all want to see a fight, go look on Ugly page right now. Ugly knocked me the fuck out. Yeah.
Ugly, you gotta start having
Cash, man. Hey, Cash. I'm with OG Giggity, man. Giggity got me out of the wine shit.
Oh, for real, you with him now?
No, Giggity up, Giggity in Texas.
Oh yeah, I got kind of pulled off from each other.
Yeah.
Hey, Rod, and I just tapped down with Rollo.
Hey, yo, bro, what is the guy Instagram who's in the truck with Ugly? What is his Instagram?
None of your business, bro.
God damn, insecurity.
That's his manager, bro. You gotta go through that T.O. You gotta go through him, man.
Dude, what's up with the insecurity issues? God damn.
Insecurity issues. I don't like your ass, nigga. I don't like you. I want to fight you, bro. Set that shit up. I want to fight. Let's fight, nigga. Oh God, let's hit.
I told y'all he's intimidated.
Yeah, let go, nigga. Hey, you rolling with Glock, drop them pistols. You rolling with Ugly, drop them teeth, nigga. Two vertical pistol, nigga.
Yeah. Drop your teeth, nigga. Come on, nigga.
I tried to make peace with you, but see, I'm fair.
Bro, I don't want peace, nigga. I want to beat the fuck out of you.
Oh,
bro.
Yeah.
When we get to Texas, fool. When we get to Texas, bro.
Do you understand? I come from a military background.
How many minutes is it?
I come from a military background. I be around Marines. I be around Army. Marines and Army folks. I'm way more built.
How many minutes is it?
Shit, I put it wrong down. Damn.
Quit trying to fight me, Ugly. Violence don't solve shit. All you're doing is embarrassing yourself.
I bet. I'm not gonna say that. Point blank period. Hey, how many minutes we got up in the ring with each other?
What y'all want?
Shit, I want 2 minutes apiece.
2 minutes round?
Yeah.
10 rounds, 2 minutes apiece?
Yeah.
All right, Glock. I'm going there and get a bear now.
Dude, I got enough sins on my plate that still haunts me to this day.
But you look like a sin. You look like a motherfucking demon, nigga. Hey, something like you look like you look like the devil's bitch. Hey, you like the devil's bitch, bro. God, bro. You like you gonna be in here, bro. You like you gonna be the devil's bitch for a day, oh God, bro. That nigga had you doing any and everything. You gonna be in here sweating being a hoe.
Yeah, you right, man. I'm a hoe. You're right. You're 100% right on that.
I see your ass, bro. I'm gonna beat the fuck out your ass, bro.
You know what, man? I'm gonna say this. You win already. Fuck, man. How you be doing it sometimes?
Yeah, I don't know neither, nigga. It might be that big ass cantaloupe head of yours. That's what it might be.
Why is it always shooting me down? Why?
Yeah.
Why?
Bro, you shutting your face down, nigga. Your face, you trying to tell nigga, I ain't shoot shit. I'm get some messaging, nigga. You shouldn't have Down syndrome, nigga. When you put your hand on your face.
Hey, Glock, they say you trying to cop please, Glock.
Nah, he just roasted me right now and it's pissing me off.
I thought
you
said you
fuck
can't
what
fuck
the fuck
with
you doing, see? I don't give a fuck, bro. Your egghead ass shouldn't be playing with a nigga. You mix, my God, you bitch made ass nigga, stop playing, bro.
So y'all
You was bitch made, bro. Like the back of
I'm crying, man.
man. I don't give no fuck you crying. That shit don't mean shit to my ass, bitch ass nigga. That's your fault. You shouldn't have talked about my hoe. So now your ass want to talk. I'm a fuck out your ass, nigga. Hey, but hey, send me a ticket to text, fool. Send me a ticket to text, nigga. Set this shit up.
They going down. You know we're gonna set that shit up for sure.
No, bro. I'm crying because you're so damn ugly.
Fuck you, nigga. I'm crying because I'm gonna beat your ass. You think this shit funny? I'm dead ass, nigga.
Make sure
I'm
y'all
not playing.
on TV. On YouTube, we got Ugly. We got an interview with Glock on BowllanTV. Tap action nowhere on the internet right now. It's the hottest beat on the internet right Glock is good.
Hey, hold on. Now, y'all got rats in here. What's all this rat
Yeah.
shit, man?
Hey, they talking about ugly. I'm not involved in that
Nigga.
shit.
What they talking about? But bitch, stop playing, nigga.
My boy,
What they talking about your whole ass? You PC bitch. Bitch, that what you is. You bitch. You want to hold that up. Then see up on the main line, bro.
Yeah,
One
ugly
hold on
better
the
than
other
me,
side
bro.
to get a
Ugly
hold
better
see up
than me,
that
man.
nigga.
I'm scared.
hey, how
Oh, they say Glock. They say you a rat, Glock. They got the Glock with the rat, man. What's going on?
Ain't talking about me.
Hey,
Get a
Glock,
fuck
you know earlier
in. Bitch,
hey,
you
Ugly.
know you had that shit, nigga. Stop playing.
Hey, Ugly, you know what he said earlier, though?
What?
He said he told on y'all because y'all told on Druski.
Fuck that. Man, fuck that nigga. Probably why I fuck him. That nigga always been a hoe. On God. Look, bro. Hey, I know you and that nigga had going on. Bro, I know what you and that nigga had going on. Nigga, stop playing, nigga.
Expose that shit, Ugly.
I ain't exposed shit. Shit. That ain't my business to expose, fool. That
Oh, shit.
nigga know what's going on, though. Stop playing, nigga. On God. Get your bitch ass text, nigga. Let hit. Get your bitch ass text, let's hit, nigga. Let go.
Let me see. Hey, how many people get that live, Squad?
Man, 200.
How many people we get OG Giggity in here? Or you
oh,
can't add him?
I don't see
I'm saying, is it enough room to get one more person in a bit?
Trying to, though.
Oh my god, that shit was
Or you
hilarious.
gonna do 4 people?
yeah, but if he tap in, I tap out. If he tap in.
Nah, I mean it's straight. I just
Bro,
I just want to get him so you see what's going on.
Yeah,
but ugly gonna beat me, bro. Ugly is gonna beat me. I don't know
I'm
what to do.
looking at what going by, nigga.
I don't know what to do, man. He's better than me. Wow.
Get your ass beat.
Said
Hey,
Drewski in here. What Drewski at?
Druski in
Man,
here.
what that boy at, man? What big dog at, man?
In. Where you at?
Hey, wait a minute. You say you wasn't
Adam don't
representing
be up in that bitch.
Wait a minute, you
Drewski
wasn't
ain't. Hey,
representing
Drewski ain't in here. That
like,
building went crazy. Drewski was in
Now
here.
we got
Man,
wait a minute.
one
Wait,
nah,
hold on. Wait,
damn
one
that
second.
man.
nigga was like,
Oh, Cass
One
say he
second.
in here.
Wait,
for
one
real.
Drewski, where you at, man?
Add that nigga though. Add that
Hey,
nigga.
Let me see if I can add him in.
hit it
wait,
button.
ugly. You said you wasn't down with Coulda Been no more, and
Nigga,
everybody heard.
fuck you.
Drewski, come on, try to tap
Right,
in,
nigga,
Drewski.
fuck you.
Bowling TV.
You
Tap in.
lying ass nigga. Boy, you just want to clap, bro. You a dick lying ass nigga. That's all you want
No,
to
no,
clap,
no, no. You said you wasn't down with Coulda Been. I'm gonna hold
nigga.
you on.
You is a dick riding ass nigga.
Nigga, it looked like you do suck dick. Nigga, your whole top is missing.
All right. Now,
Hey,
all right.
all
Now
back.
I'm
You
gonna beat your ass for real.
heard me.
I, I'll get now I'm gonna beat your ass, bro. Stop playing, bro.
Drewski must got to follow me to get in, ain't it?
Hey, the whole nigga.
Nah, you gotta click the arrow shit.
What it say?
I'm gonna
Squad?
step out. Try to add juice to see we come in.
Okay, go
All
ahead.
right.
All right.
I'm gonna get 300, but on GK. GK.
Woo. Okay.
Nah, for real, that's what Chicky said. I might be 300, but on GK. Oh god, it be hard. Yeah, oh that nigga ain't got no
Hey,
talk
hey,
about.
hey, invite him in. Invite Drewski in, Ugly.
Look. I did. I sent some. The nigga need to clear the air anyway. For real, for real.
Yeah, y'all need a big CEO to clear the air,
Oh
man.
nah. He on shit. Yeah. Oh, you talking about that? You talking about that wood? You talking about that? I didn't want this nigga to clear the air.
Man, I got three words for you. You can suck my
Oh, shit.
Come out, nigga.
Oh, fuck no, Glock. What
What
the
your mouth,
fuck?
bitch ass nigga? Bitch ass nigga. Oh, you suck ass nigga. Bitch made ass nigga. Ho. All right, keep laughing. All right, bro, I'm gonna make your whole shit bloody. What? corny ass, Mark ass, trick ass
That nigga
nigga.
just disrespect you, ugly.
Nah, Mark.
That nigga just disrespect you, ugly.
Hey, what if I what if I put some dick in your mama? What about that?
Oh
Yeah,
shit.
bitch made that nigga. Stop playing with me, nigga.
Here, okay, since we throw a slug, I'm gonna fuck your mother. I'm gonna fuck your girlfriend.
Hey, watch your mouth, bro.
Yeah, you see how that feels?
Bitch ass nigga. I don't get no fuck. I know shit. I know you can't kill
He's like a
my
little
whole.
brother.
Hey, my whole and my mother laugh at your ass.
You're like a little brother that got an attitude all the time. That's what I look at, man.
You like a big bitch. You like a big whole bitch, bro. On the yard, bro. Yeah, you know how the level 4 nigga be doing, nigga in the yard, nigga that had alternative section in. Yeah, you are alternative section, bitch. That what you.
Man, you can eat my.
That's some gay ass shit to say. Hey, everything you saying is gay, bro. Okay,
Hit that follow button. Follow
bro.
Drew.
You on some shit.
Follow,
Hey, you see what I
follow,
said about my home?
Man, they say both of y'all
Oh
niggas
my
told on
god!
Druski. I ain't seen nobody tell on Druski now.
What you talking about?
who told on Drew? I ain't see that now.
Oh,
I'm saying,
ugliest rapper
nigga,
alive. You snitching mother.
hey, watch your bitch ass mouth, nigga. Oh, well, you a real hoe. I know I keep on
Man.
calling you a bitch and a hoe, cause that's my favorite
Hey,
word. But
I
nigga,
thought
you
you
was
could only
one of
have
them.
Oh
four
my
people,
god!
shout.
Huh?
Thought you could only
Man,
have four people in here.
diss track
One,
on you right now.
two.
I'm about to drop a diss
Did I
track
get
on you.
out there and try to add, nigga?
Hey, I know one thing we can do right now. Shoot, go on freestyle, man. Back to back 'em, man.
Okay, I go first. Ugliest rapper alive. Your bitch be kissing your ass and she run outside to throw up and she ain't gotta be on live. You can tell she only dating your ass for the clout. Your ass look like you got a disease in your mouth. I swear to God, man, I'm getting out of line. I'm about to violate your ass like I'm wilding out. I be roasting, nigga. I'm going in. Your ass can't fuck with me because your ass can't even fucking stick defense. Your ass run to the end of the court, say, pass me the ball like a hoe who can't even shoot the fucking ball, though. God damn, man, I'm getting out of line. I'm a fucking beast. I'm a savage. Go ahead and give your bitch this motherfucking sandwich. I mean, I give her the grand beef. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Bow down on your knees, cause your bitch, she was beating my meat, beating that shit
Oh
and from the back,
shit!
back shots. Don't he can't fuck
I
with
want to sign you, nigga. I want you, nigga. We want you over here about to be records, nigga.
Go ahead, my brother, turn. Fuck your shit. Fuck
Man,
that.
Hey,
hey,
pop,
look,
nigga.
man, this all I'm gonna say. I ain't even gonna got that hit nigga with a rap. I'm hit nigga with a statement, a true statement. Nigga, first round. My bitch will never go for you, nigga. You is a dirty ass, bum ass nigga. She do not want you. She'll laugh at your stupid ass.
Oh, Cody, I just
Nigga,
say, Cody.
Hey, ugly man, come on, man, fight back, man. He just went in on you, not ugly.
I bet.
We're
My
gonna
bitch.
let you in, Rollo.
Dude, I'm a bodybuilder. I can hit your bitch with this dick. I swear to God, she gonna be rubbing all over my body. I'll be telling her, bitch, that fucking pussy is fit.
Oh
I,
shit!
But you
I,
can't get this action nowhere.
hold up.
Hit
I,
TV right
matter
now.
of
Hit
fact, hold up.
all.
Matter of fact, since you want to talk about bitches, I probably fuck your mama in the back of the kitchen. I got them probably fuck your auntie too, but yeah, she missed me. She trying to get them, give me $28 to come and hit it. I can't even got them get it because she like it. Or I be like that shit, bitch. Oh, tilapia. Fuck that shit. Oh, bitch. Yeah, she popping, but I ain't trying to want it, bitch. I ain't trying to get no. They nasty. Your mama got a $20
I wanna,
fucking pass.
I
Yeah,
wanna
she
get
got them
that,
fucked out of niggas
that
in the
better
hood.
than
Your mama
you.
got them fucked out niggas wood. And, yeah. Damn, my bad. Your mama
Boy,
really sucked the whole
yeah.
team off. Your nigga really sucked the whole basketball court out. Nigga stop playing. Goddamn, your little baby and your little baby got. Damn, my bad. I fucked up.
Come
My baby,
on, ugly
Oh,
man.
my boy got
I
bars.
fucked up.
He got them
Nah,
bars
you
now.
know,
Dude, lad.
you gotta play a
I'm
beat or
about to
something.
go in on this shit.
Uh-uh.
Oh shit! Glock got the beat up.
Hit that follow button. How
Tell
this
T,
shit on
hey,
TV?
tell T.O. to have your beat ready, ugly. Go ahead, Glock.
Oh, shit.
That hand I the
Here we
motherfucker right there.
You talk a lot of shit, let me go ahead and fuck your fucking bitch. Pass her down to the whole fucking clique. Bitch says you want somebody to do something strange for a piece of change. Nigga, you want to talk about whole team? Yo, bitch, want to hit her fuck the whole team on the court. Gotta say, man, that bitch has so many babies. Now she on fucking child support. I don't give a fuck, nigga. You can't fuck with a real nigga like me. I'm a real ass nigga. Bitch, when I'm coming up in the game. Now your ass, man, I'm the type that pay off your mama, help her pay her rent too. Then he go ahead and suck me off. Then I go ahead and be a stepdaddy. Whole ass nigga, what's up with it? Now your ass wanna get bad? I'm in my old motherfucking bag. Yo ass wanna get up in your feelings? Cause I go ahead and then I make a fucking killing. Yo bitch, I already seen what she look like. She ain't my type, but I go ahead and beat that bitch up in the fucking back with a fucking back shot like I ride it on a fucking bike. Yeah, I'm lit. Yeah. Shit, you a punk bitch. Yeah, everybody already know that. I'm a real savage nigga, real facts. Oh, pull up in the last your bitch, hop in the back, pass it down to the cliff, unroll the bitch like a fucking blunt, then we roll it back up like a fucking blunt rap. Real as shit is a rap, nigga.
Oh, my boy Lil, man. What the fuck? Oh, you ran him out of here, Glock.
Hey, I told you, I can murder that dude in a fucking rap battle.
Man, ugly down bad, man.
I can figure it. Ugly about to get his bars right. I know it.
You better do something. What bring him out
You
here?
drinking, Glock? Arizona. Oh yeah, I fuck with those.
Come on, shout. Where you at, shout?
Make up with 1800. Nigga, it's good.
Don't die.
Man, you know, his phone didn't die. I murdered. He lucky I didn't go on my other beat. I don't know. He lucky I didn't go in on my other beat. It's like me, man, this bitch at the hotel room, put it in her fucking stomach, and she felt it in her feet.
Like I told y'all, hit that follow button. You won't get no action like this. Carolina checking in. Bowl lane.
Motherfucking run your mouth in the house, man. Hey, ain't no motherfucking way, man. Hey, we want to fight, man. Glock just won the hip hop battle. He just won the rap
Yeah,
battle. We
Glock
want
that
to
one about. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Hold up now. Hold on.
listen. Ugly ain't had no beat on, man. He got to get his beat right.
Hey, Glock, I can tell the hand with the beat.
Yeah, Glock ate him on. Glock ate him round 1 and round 2, man. Hey, Glock, is you coming to Texas? That's what I want to know.
Hey, Glock. Oh shit, give him
Oh
another one. We want
shit.
you over here about to be record, nigga. We want you, nigga.
Ugly. Ugly, where you at, nigga?
Let me tell
Man,
everybody, I am now the king of Ugly's neck of the woods now.
I just want.
All of y'all,
Ugly, what ugly at?
give me my
What
respect.
ugly, man?
I run
Hey.
the neck of the woods. Yeah, I run Ugly neck of the woods. I run the neck of his woods. I ran that nigga off. I run him off like a bitch that get no money. I swear to God, my nigga, I'm looking at that nigga funny. And now I'm taking over. I'm doing
Oh,
my.
Ugly said add him back. One day I gotta drop out, I gotta add Ugly back. He about to come back.
No, I ain't gonna even do it.
No, hello, Glock. I think you're ready for you. Want somebody got to drop out, man.
School out there gonna. Hey, man, I want to be. Hey, I want to know if Glock coming to Texas though.
Yeah,
Glock, is you,
I'll be up there, man.
you coming, Glock? Is you coming, Glock, for real?
I'll come, man.
We finna go on and set the tickets up, get the
There
flyers
go
and all,
Ugly.
man.
There go my nigga. There go my
Hey,
nigga.
nigga, get that nigga, ugly. Get that nigga. Yeah,
Tell T.O. to give you a beat, man.
get that nigga, ugly. Well, I'm coming. Give me a second. I got you.
Oh, yeah, Glock. Yeah, Glock. You thought you ran that nigga out of there, didn't you?
Ugly
Oh,
back, man.
he came back for sloppy seconds like I did his win. Wow.
Oh,
Watch
shit.
your mouth.
I'm gonna have to bring my persona out. My
Oh, Glock.
persona.
I ain't scared, nigga.
Yeah. Hey, ugly. Yeah. Hey, ugly. Yeah. You know, ugly. Yeah. I'm your corner man, ugly. Oh. Fuck Glock kill bitch.
Nigga.
Fuck Glock kill snitch. He a whole ass nigga. He don't even come from the bricks. He can't even fuck my bitch. He can't even got nothing fuck my bitch. He can't even got nothing do shit. Yo, even if he flip, yo,
He can hit that bitch. Yeah, he click and hit that bitch. Yeah, he like a goddamn pig. Yeah, ugly ass stupid ass nigga, bitch. He a real good goofy. Fuck that shit, bitch. He don't like moving. Yeah, I'm just trying to goddamn get into it. Yeah, he ain't fucking my bitch. Yeah, he ain't fucking my bitch. Goddamn put a fuck nigga on the list. Goddamn drop in the trunk real quick. Nigga, drop his ass off real quick. When really talking about none of that, I'm just trying to get these motherfucking rats. Nigga, gotta hit in the back. Yeah, gotta hit that girl in the back, no cap. Gotta hit that girl in the back, no cap.
Ugliest rapper alive, nigga.
Leave. Fuck that shit like I'm gonna leave. Head get a big shot, never ever leave. Never ever leave my hoe. My hoe really left in that shoe. I'm on go 24/7. Yeah, stove. Big head nigga, you are not on go. I was selling weed at the motherfucking stove. Nigga, I had got no part on my waist. Now I put that shit big head open, motherfucking real gun case. Yeah, nigga can't say shit about it. Fuck that shit, they know I'm laughing out at it. Fuck that shit, get breaking. Hey, yeah, 223, we have it. I do not stay with that shit. Yeah, I'm really trying to fuck your bitch. Yeah, I'm really trying to fuck your mama. Yeah, I'm really trying to fuck your sister, bitch.
Kill him.
Do it.
Kill him.
Yeah, okay, got
Y'all
it.
nigga drop them teeth in the
I
comment,
got
nigga.
a whole lot of yeah. Look at my teeth already. Look at my teeth. Yeah. Look at my teeth already.
Yeah.
Look at my teeth
Nigga.
already. Yeah.
That nigga said drop them teeth in the comment, nigga.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Hey,
nigga.
ugly, boy.
You my
Hey, that's how
dog,
you
nigga.
come back, ugly. That's how you
That's how
come
you
back,
bounce back
nigga.
left for real, nigga. Straight up, nigga.
That's what that's the best you got. Are you freaking kidding me?
Man, ugly
And he got
ready to
back
get in
at
the
you, Glock.
rain.
He got back, Glock.
Got back,
Yeah.
Glock.
That nigga say he really, that nigga say he ain't from the brick,
Say
Glock.
you
He
ain't
trapping at the
from no
store,
brick.
nigga.
Where that nigga
I'm
from,
about to give me a
ugly?
experience from lyrics real quick. Watch this.
Where that nigga from, ugly?
We want to man.
Okay.
All right,
Ugly.
I let the lady go first already.
Yeah.
Yeah,
There's
bitch.
a lot of teeth in the comment,
There's a
boy.
lot of
Yeah.
teeth coming. There's a lot of teeth in the comment.
I hear the main hoe.
Put the chain on, Glock. Put the chain on.
All right, here we go.
For the
You don't
store.
say I don't come from the bricks. I got homie that used to live in the hood. Used to live in the hood too. But my mama living like, ooh, bro.
Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. We
Oh
got
boy.
motherfucking teeth in the comment. Uh-oh. Round 3 going to.
Well, I ain't gonna like that. I gotta see those smoking clubs with the glass and shit. Hey, that'd be cool.
Hey,
So,
hey, tell him about that 5-5. Mm-hmm.
yeah.
I know you smoking that gas, my boy.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you
Hey,
really
man, we need to
want me
train
to
for
go
the
in
fight
on
now.
food?
You don't need to train for the fight, bro.
Yeah, and I already got people, T.O.
Oh,
fucking
T.O.
T.O.
put that nigga in training for the week, man.
Trust me.
Yeah.
Y'all gonna see it. Y'all just give us a date, and that's all we need.
Man, hey, Slick.
Yeah.
Me and OG
Here.
Skinny, we about to, hey,
I'm about
we about to
to
double team that
retaliate.
bitch.
Fuck it.
Hey, Shaw, I can't
Hey, shut
call
up.
OG, man. Tell OG to
Okay,
tap
hey,
in, man. That's
I
promoting.
had tried to call him when you was on there
I'm about
early.
to rap.
He ain't answer. I'm finna call him.
Coulda Been
You got
Records, bitch.
The rest thing on, bitch.
Yeah, we need man, let's get giggity in here, man.
This shit gonna be
He
funny.
gonna go get the venue.
Man.
OG say he done king. Oh, baby girl, look. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
I ain't got
Hey, Glock, they say they don't want no dancing. You gotta hype yourself
Yeah,
up.
call OG school out.
no fight.
Oh, man. Oh, man.
Yeah, ugly ass rapper alive. Yo ass look like your ass dead or alive. Don't give a fuck, nigga. Yo ass look like the type of nigga that can't even fucking sell bricks. I know niggas really was selling bricks. Niggas outside on the motherfucking block. You the type of nigga yo ass get fucking check from your commissary. Real shit, fuck the ops. Real that shit, you look like the type to make a deal with an ox. Don't give a fuck, yo ass look like the type of nigga that a bitch will fuck on to give you fucking pox. You mean what I mean by pox? I mean herpes, nigga.
But
Fuck with you.
he
One
ain't
time,
even
nigga,
rhyming,
yo ass
nigga. You
look the
can't
type of
talk.
nigga.
I don't know what the nigga
Yo ass can't fuck with a real nigga. Yo ass is the type of nigga go ahead and snitch and take a fucking plea deal and go ahead and throw your niggas under the motherfucking bus. That's the type of you nigga is. Real shit trust. Yo ass talking about this and that. Real niggas don't take a motherfucking crime and motherfucking did and you snitching on yourself. Real that shit, nigga. Yo ass intimidated by me. That's because you can't fuck with a real nigga. I know real niggas locked up in a penitentiary. You the type of whole ass nigga that'll go ahead and get fucking pimped out on the cell block. Real that shit. What's up, nigga? Yo ass wanna run the spade? Let's go.
Hey, we got
What them
him.
Glocks at? Y'all drop them Glocks in the comment.
We got him.
Who won that?
We got him.
Hold on, let me get it.
Y'all got them drops. Y'all drop them Glocks or drop them T. Who won round one?
They know what's going on. Them teeth all day.
Oh, y'all putting teeth emojis. That really, I don't like that
They
funny.
say, you say why they love the teeth emoji? Man.
Nah,
I see the T coming. I don't know Glock. The Glock
nah,
got
they
some.
gotta
They
put
fucking with
the
you, Glock.
fire emojis, bro.
They fucking with you, Glock.
I don't like
Okay.
that acting funny shit though. That pisses me off. Acting funny means snitching and switching up. I don't like that.
Oh,
What you
man.
talking about,
Hey.
Glock? What's going on? What you
Yeah,
mean?
dude. Put fire emoji, but none of that acting funny shit though.
No, the T for ugly. Glock, the T for ugly. That ugly emoji, Glock.
All right, hold.
You know you got the pistol, Glock.
Glock, you got the pistol, Glock. You got to come hard, Glock. Ugly 8 then, man.
Hold on,
We
hit
got,
you.
hey, Slick. Hey, Slick,
You can't find
you
your
ain't got
T
about,
ugly.
Slick, you ain't got about
No,
15 more minutes.
For real.
Yeah, they gonna crush you every hour. You gotta keep up with that hour time. That's what I meant to tell you last time.
Man, we need to get OG school out. OG ain't
No,
answering.
beat from YouTube. Yeah, from YouTube. We'll be
Oh,
searching.
J5, you said 1-1. That's my nigga J5, man. Shout out my nigga. You already know.
All right, let go.
Let go,
Glock a bitch. He a hoe. He a snitch.
the skittle.
He ain't on shit. He a mark. Got that dropping pen, bitch, and let spark down. Got that shooting in the motherfucking said, bitch. Yeah, this he ain't on it. Yeah, fuck him. Yeah, he ain't my opponent. He get trying to get some clout, bitch. I'm on. I'm just trying to get some fucking money. This bitch ass nigga up there looking like Toy Story. Like Miss Potato Head. I don't really know. I'm just trying to get them take it out. Yeah. My fucking dick. Let me run my raving shit. Ho. I'm trying to get some dope. Yeah, just another 24. I
Okay.
got nothing doing shit. Nigga trying to make some shit. And you keep on talking about nigga fucking my bitch. She don't want you. She ain't looking for you. She just laughing. Tell your ass up, damn it. You got to rest. Cause you be like could have been. You got to rest, bitch. Yeah, like a whole hand. Oh, your chicken, bitch. You laying eggs like Mrs. Winter. Cook them, fry, eat them up like it's chicken tenders. Bitch, yeah. Like, yeah. Hold up, bitch. Young nigga, shit like Mr. Simple. Fuck that nigga, he ain't on fucking shit. He just got a do-rag on his fucking head. He special ed and he look like a spit. I'm just trying to get this motherfucking bread.
Huh? I see a lot of teeth emoji.
Hey, so
Fight back, Glock. What you got, Glock?
oh, he about to put OG gig in.
Well, that nigga, hey. All right. Boy had done woke up.
Hey, what up?
Man, what OG gigging at, man?
I let him call OG right quick
OG
one more time.
gigging
Let
it.
me call you. I'm gonna
Hey,
call
look,
OG right quick.
that remind me of
Let me
Quinn,
call
my brother.
OG ass, man.
Let's get OG in, man.
OG ain't got no face time.
But I even bro, like.
You know OG got that green tip message, man.
Call you right.
Glock, what you got, baby boy?
Hey,
Yeah.
Glock. Boy, and he up 2-1 on you, Glock. They put teeth in the comment, Glock. Hey, Slick, what they gonna do about the fight, though, Slick?
It was going down there with Giggity. We in Texas with
Man,
it.
hey, Itchy, T.O., we working, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, look up.
Yeah.
I'm seeing you the workout plan tonight, man. Straight up. I just need you to get that left a little quicker. Like how you hit school out. Like how you did school out on the... quick. Yeah, I want you... Yeah. Damn. I'm
Hey,
gonna call his record.
who I say let him back in, Rollo?
Oh yeah, hell yeah, man. You know everything blame, man. I'm finna call OG.
Yeah, all right, man. Tell OG come on ASAP, man.
Yeah, I'm finna call him again. Hey, we need OG to Don King this motherfucker. We gonna goddamn go crazy.
Oh yeah, OG Don King, that big
Hey,
nigga,
I'm gonna
bro.
tap back in with you.
All right. What's up, Glock? You ready?
Glock ain't got no more fight in him. He tired. He not that. He tired. Man, what? I'm roasting a nigga.
Oh, you would not find this entertainment nowhere else besides Bowling. Follow Bowling right now. Hit the goddamn follow button. Juice ain't got this accent. Hit the follow button. Let's go,
Come
nigga.
up, bit boy.
Hey, let go, bitch. Hit the
Follow
button.
your shit.
Subscribe.
At
Oh
school,
God, subscribe like
on
Mama
the answer the
said.
phone.
He ain't answered the phone for him. I called him 2 times. He might be on his podcast. Let me check the channel.
What's up, Glock? You ready?
Sorry.
Oh, Glock. Who ran off?
That probably broke her phone. Add him back real quick. Not put Rollo in until he pop back in the store. Until he pop back on the comment list.
Where you at, Rollo? Hey, Glock. You know what, Glock? We're okay. We're okay. We're gonna do it again tomorrow too, Glock. I'm gonna have OG on the bit. I'm gonna set everything up. OG can goddamn. You know what I'm saying, Glock?
What's wrong, Glock?
I said people couldn't hear me. No. Oh, Shepherd, I was on mute. No, I was about to go in for a second, but
He intimidated, Glock. You know you intimidated.
come on, dude. The signs is there. The man kept getting in the way of me talking to the manager in the truck. That's a sign. He got insecure when I was, dude. Everybody already know. Like, come on. He was showing. He'll be insecure like a female, dude.
I'm gonna get OG Giggity on here, man, and tomorrow, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna pop back out
Here,
and
watch
we're
this,
gonna
watch this.
promote.
Everybody put the W for Glock there, dude. I won this without even trying. He showed the insecure signs.
If y'all think Glock one, drop them W, man. Oh, here go Ugly right here. He back.
He really trying to protect his rep. I give him that.
All of us.
Yeah, Ugly ain't running for. Yeah, you see my dog, nigga.
I get lie back in, but the trees, nigga. You
So,
know, man, trees. That shit hard as hell. You know, the signal be fucking up.
Yeah.
hey, Ugly, you know what I'm gonna do tomorrow
Yeah,
too, bro?
They put
yeah.
in the
I heard
W's.
OG.
God
I
damn.
heard,
Yeah, I'm gonna get OG on here tomorrow, man. We can goddamn set this shit up, man. We got
Hold on.
this.
I gotta do my diss track. He did one towards me.
Yeah, come on. What you got, Glock? You ain't got
Nah,
too
bro.
long now.
Bro, I'm about to
well,
murder
nigga,
this.
you about to get out this shit.
Nah, stay for this, bro.
Yeah.
Coulda Been Records, bitch. You kicked from Coulda Been anyway, so I got the perfect track for
Oh
this.
God, okay, look, it's like 11 o'clock next day. I get sleep.
You said you don't like it when I say Coulda Been Records. And Druski heard what you said when he was in here a couple of minutes ago. Woo, I'm about to go in them shit. Here we go. Coulda Been Records, bitch.
Nigga, it's already
Okay. Is that gangster shit there?
Uh, all right, here we go. Coulda Been Records, bitch. Your ass said your ass and like you when I said the name of the label. Shit. Now your ass is kicked from the. Oh shit! What happened?
Glock, man, you down bad, man.
buddy. I play that beat over again, nigga, on God.
You know what? I ain't gonna even do you like that. I'm too vicious on these beats. I'm too vicious, dude. I'm ahead of my time.
You look like
I was already going there, and I ain't gonna even do you like that.
Hey, what time y'all want me to get OG on tomorrow? What time y'all want to pop it tomorrow so we can let everybody in the live know?
shit, I got T.O. got with it stuff. It look like me even like 12, 1 o'clock.
About Well, 1 o'clock. What's
Yo,
up? What's
I'm
good for you,
BCO
Glock?
then.
I see love, I
12,
see. God damn.
I'm BCO then.
Glock, what's a good time for you, Glock, tomorrow?
I ain't gonna lie, man. Ugliest rapper took this whole entire round. He really beat me though. I give him his credit.
Man, y'all drop them Glock, Glocks and drop them T, man. Who won, man?
Ugliest rapper won, I'm telling you.
Yeah, no.
You know